EA500H8 rental LED display is widely used in various scenarios, including event sites, exhibitions, etc. Its flexibility and ease of installation make it ideal for temporary events and long-term use. EA500H8 rental LED display adopts 3840 Hz high refresh rate technology, combined with high grayscale and high brightness performance, to present a more delicate and smooth picture effect, ensuring an excellent visual experience. EA500H8 rental LED display pays attention to every detail. It is equipped with exquisite handles, stable fixing slots, convenient quick locks, corner guards and a detachable power box, aiming to provide greater operating convenience and safety. EA500H8 rental LED screen can be equipped with a high-precision arc lock. EA500H8 rental LED display screen adopts a hub connection design, which enhances the connection stability of the system. The power box supports disassembly and is equipped with a quick-release buckle to ensure fast and efficient maintenance. EA500H8 rental LED display screen adopts a magnetic LED panel, and the cabinet design supports front and rear maintenance, which significantly improves the convenience and efficiency of installation.